Hi, Gracie.
Hi.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Okay, show Daddy how you ride your scooter. Don't forget your bell. Whoa.
That mud.
It's okay, go ahead. Your scooter's all terrain. Nice switch off. Ring your bell in case any birds get in the way. Good job. Can you turn around in that thing? Whoa, 2 feet. Hey, you're going too fast. I can't keep up. I can't keep up. Dang, Nick. Whoa. Who taught you how to ride this?
My papa.
Your papa?
Mm-hmm.
He taught you how to ride fast like that?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Go, Gracie, go! Woo! Big girl. That's your sister, huh, Riley? What are you doing? Oh, she's in the... She loves the Harley? I'm coming, sister. Can you show Daddy one trick before I turn the camera off? Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Careful. Blow Daddy kisses. Do this. Oh, okay. You too. Blow Daddy kisses. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah.